Welcome to Workflow Secret Dashboards. Today, we're going to be walking through how to add your custom webhook URL, as well as fill out the Google Sheets so that you can acquire it. This is going to be one of the first steps in getting all of the pieces ready for you to use your Workflow Secret Dashboards, and we're so excited to have you. You will notice that you need to fill out your email address, your first name, your last name, as well as the Realvolve Utility API Key. To locate the Realvolve Utility API Key, log in to your Realvolve account and move from the dashboard to your settings found on the top right-hand side by clicking on the icon and navigating to your settings. Once in your settings, move to the far left-hand side halfway down the page to the Integrations tab. In your Integrations tab, you will notice there are several different URLs. However, the specific URL we're looking to grab is your utility API key. At this point, I will note that each individual user's API key is going to be custom to them, so you'll want to make sure and grab your specific custom API key and not the one shown in this video. Simply click on and grab or copy paste that utility API key and navigate back to the Google form, inserting it, and then hitting submit. Once this is done, the Workflow Secrets team will be able to create that custom URL, and it will be emailed to you so that you can start using your dashboards and migrating data from the Realvolve CRM system to your Workflow Secret dashboards. I hope you enjoyed today's lessons. These are the Workflow Secret Dashboards. If you have any questions, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to get you taken care of. But until then, we'll see you later.